Why does my Vaillant boiler keep losing pressure? The most common reasons for a boiler to lose pressure are the releasing air or water from a radiator when you're bleeding it, the leak from the appliance, or the system, most commonly the radiator valves or system components. The circuit of pipes and radiators connected with the boiler system can corrode and loosen over time, eventually allowing water to escape into the system and gradually decreasing the boiler pressure as water is replaced with air. But this could also be caused via an internal leak in the boiler. Leak like on the system, or an expansion vessel failure, or the fact that it simply has lost charge. So there are many causes as to why your boiler could actually be losing pressure. But what I would suggest is there are signs such as a dripping pressure relief valve or pipe from the back of the boiler, which would be external to the property. That could be checked. But again, these would be things that you would discuss with an engineer when they come to see you on the site visit to diagnose the problem for you.